while we're checking out the fog and seeing if it's going to roll in again.
Yeah, I was out today, actually, just before noon, and the fog cleared up for a short period of time at New Pass. Then it came back pretty quickly, too, and kind of kept things a bit cooler near the coast. Inland areas still warm in the low 80s, but near the beaches in the mid 70s today. And some photos sent in from all over town. This one from the Ringling Bridge. You can see that off in the distance there. Ben Cooper getting that shot that you see right there with a lone sailboat. And this one from Parrish, even inland areas. Paul getting this, looking across his lake and not seeing much as a result of the thick, dense fog that has been developing each and every night. And get a look again at this time lapse from 7 o'clock this morning, looking out over Sarasota Bay. Every once in a while the sun comes out, then the fog rolls in, and now we have clear skies overhead. Clear skies, light winds, high dew point temperatures will allow that fog to form once again. And what's been happening is high pressure has been dominating our weather. High pressure usually meaning fair skies. High pressure will get bumped off. It's now located to the east of the state. Will continue to move off in that general direction as this front slowly sinks southward. And now there are a few showers around, mainly to the north right now. The front lies just across Georgia into the panhandle of Florida and then off into the Gulf of Mexico. It will continue to sink southward. It's not like the Arctic front they're experiencing over the Great Lakes in Northeast. There's just some slightly cooler temperatures behind it, mainly drier air. And with that drier air in place, I don't think we'll see the harmful effects of fog tomorrow night and continuing through the weekend. So that will go away for a little while. 69 degrees our current temperature. Winds out of the southwest still at 5 miles an hour. When those winds lessen, it looks like a pretty good chance of seeing some more fog forming. The high today was 77 despite those low clouds and fog around. 63 was the morning low. That's well above the average of 54. 73 and 54, these numbers, we won't get close to them at all over the upcoming days. Warm temperatures are in store for us here, at least for another week. Today, no rainfall to report. We're doing pretty well for the month thus far, 0.2 of an inch above average. Statewide temperatures, 65 degrees now in Jacksonville. It's 10 degrees warmer in Orlando, 81, nice and balmy there in Miami. And around the coastline, upper 60s to low 70s. I told you the 80-degree temperatures today inland in places like Hardee, DeSoto, and Highlands counties. Temperatures now starting to cool down to the mid-70s there. The forecast for Thursday, we'll have the fog in the morning and then partly cloudy skies. High temperatures will warm into the mid-70s for the most part. So not upper 70s, but we'll get there soon enough. You'll see that on the 7-day forecast. Here's the wind and fog forecast, calling for that fog to thicken up again tonight. But then notice what happens. It quickly gets out of here by 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. That's the result of the winds switching to the north behind the front and allowing that drier air to move in and settle in. So look for a little bit more sunshine tomorrow. North wind will make it feel a little bit cooler, but overall, not a lot of rainfall anticipated with this passage of front. Now, the cold front itself is not really associated with this. This is the Arctic air mass that continues to move in. This is the jet stream associated with it. And that polar jet will dip southward. Now it'll be down here, but it's bringing in this Arctic air from the Dakotas, stretching to Wisconsin, and now into Michigan. And get a look at these temperatures as we move through time. The morning lows tomorrow in around 7, 8 degrees into Omaha, 13 in Cleveland. Watch, I'll move the map. And the high in Cleveland tomorrow will only get to 16 degrees. So not much of a variation there. It will stay in the teens in Cleveland and eventually push that cold air all the way to Boston with a low on Friday morning in Boston, right around 4 degrees. So more and more folks, I think, will be starting to come to Florida, or at least thinking about that throughout the next couple of months. For boaters, a bit breezy out there. Seas running 3 to 5 feet with a moderate chop, and the tides upcoming 6:05. Just had it. We'll have a high tide at 11:41 tonight. Dense fog advisories more than likely issued. A low visibility 65 for the high, and the extended forecast is calling for temperatures to stay relatively warm. In fact, above average right through the next 7 days. A chance for rain comes up on late Sunday and throughout Monday, but not much. Back to you.